guys, welcome to another video with me, Laura. Today is going to be another kind of share video because I want to share with you a crochet magazine that has been sent to me, which I have to say is like no crochet magazine I've ever seen before. But to be honest with you, it puts most of our crochet magazines to shame. It is more like a crochet book than a magazine. It's absolutely stunning. So let's bring it in. Without further ado. This is the crochet magazine and it's by JTHouse, which is by the lovely Julia Tushnicka. Hopefully I pronounced that correctly. She's a lovely lady and she is a fashion designer and crochet designer. This is her crochet magazine and it's an in English crochet magazine, and I absolutely have been blown away by what's inside this magazine. So I'm going to share it with you today. I'm going to show you guys what this magazine is all about. So this is something you can subscribe to regularly, and it shares lots of amazing crochet designs, very different to the sort of things that I do as well. These are absolutely stunning. This is just a taster of what's inside. But what makes this magazine quite special is not only do you get the written patterns to make these beautiful motifs and designs, but you also get the graph patterns as well. I mean, she has literally covered everything in this magazine. So let's have a little look inside at one of the first designs that she's got, which is this flower talisman with 6 petals. If I can get the title on screen, my camera's in the way. Here we go, flower talisman, six petals, which is absolutely beautiful. And she's also got a yarn store as well, where she sells all the yarns that she uses in her motifs, which are these beautiful Italian, I think they're like Italian style Italian yarns, but well, I think there's more detail on that further in the magazine. So what these patterns have is you get the amazing chart. The amount of work that has gone into this is astonishing, because I've made a few of these sorts of graph charts and they take ages, and the fact that these are so detailed as well is absolutely astonishing. And she's got the written version that goes with it as well, all in English. It's actually in American terminology as well, I noticed, because she's got some single crochets in there, so it should appeal to the majority of you guys. So that is just one of the designs, and then she's got a lot more amazing designs, like this beautiful flower Cinderella, which I can't get the title on camera. Flower Cinderella with this absolutely stunning flower motif. I mean, the amount of work that has gone into that is beautiful. It's not even the half of what she does. I mean, this woman is seriously talented. Puts me to shame. So she's got all the charts and the written version that goes with that. So I'm just going to skip through and we're going to have a look at some of the designs more quickly. So that's another. Oh, that's interesting. There's two chart patterns that goes with that one. And she's got a few little extra adverts in here with the sort of things that she does. So she does crochet courses as well to make various items. I mean, these stunning, beautiful tops are absolutely amazing. And this is probably the only type of crochet sort of thing that I would wear other than like chunky scarves and things. And it's something that I've never designed. I don't have the patience to design this sort of thing. But find out how to join elements to create a beautiful top. Get the secrets of making a perfect pattern. So she does these crochet courses at her website, which is jthouse.net. Let's have a look at what other designs she got. So this one is a Felissa design, which I think is the one from, is that the one from the front cover? It's another beautiful design. Isn't that stunning? So much talent. I was absolutely blown away when I got this. And I was like, of course I'm going to share this. So there's a written version and the chart for that. And this is just book 1. This is just the first in the series. And so this is another design. It's called Felissa, I think. And these are the yarns that she suggests for these designs. So high quality viscose from Italy, all these Italian yarns that I think she sells in a yarn store. and charts from that. There's another one here, similar design. Felissa. Absolutely beautiful. So you get all the written patterns and charts for that one. Very, very detailed. And this is what blew me away. This. Check out this dress. This is absolutely phenomenal. When I saw this, I was like, wow, look at the work involved in designing that. Not just making it, but designing it as well. And not just that, it's not just something she's made and that's it, she just went on her way. She is actually offering the opportunity to create your own gorgeous evening dress using the same Italian yarn. And you can find out more at her website. So I think she offers courses and everything to make these amazing dresses. I mean, that's just like a wedding dress. It's beautiful. And also she's got various kits as well. Secrets of Dress Amelie. Free shipping, it's always good. So in there, included in the box, 9 skeins of the high quality silk, plus a gift. You get your crochet hook, and a flash drive with the crochet course to make the dress, and a pattern for the dress in your size, and detailed printed colour schemes. So you get everything you need to make this amazing dress. Phenomenal amount of work. Beautiful. Even the box is lovely. Absolutely stunning. So let's have a look at some more of her designs. This is Avery. Another beautiful design with suggested yarns that go with it. And another design. And there's quite a long pattern for that. And then another crochet course that she offers, a secret of Dress Beverly. Find out how to join elements and create a beautiful dress. Get the secrets of making a perfect pattern. So find out more at JTHouse.net. Look at that dress, that is beautiful. I wish I had the body size to wear that. But if you do and you like that, then imagine being able to make that yourself. It'd be phenomenal. And another design which is beautiful. I love this one. This is called Bernice. Bernice. And the charts to go with all that. A close up for some of the flowers. And some of the leaves. I'm almost at the end. There's another picture. Pattern. So another crochet course, Secret of Dress Dream. So you can learn how to make, let's see if I can zoom in on this a bit. Learn how to make this dress. See, beautiful. Get the secrets of making a perfect pattern. Oh, that's always good. And there we go. And then at the back of the magazine is, if you're not used to reading charts, you've got the written pattern anyway, but if you would like to learn more about reading the charts, and it gives you all the information you need for all the different stitches that you see in these charts. For example, some of those stitches there. Let's see if we can find the little drumstick looking one, shall we? And then you could have a look in the back, and you know it's a puff stitch double crochet, which is amazing. So there we go. So it's got all the terminologies as well, in case you don't quite know what they are. So there we go, and that's the author of the whole magazine. Amazing amount of work by Julia Tushnicka. And there we go, and look at this. This is also really gorgeous. I love this. Incredible opportunity to create your own gorgeous evening dress. Angelica from Amazing Italian Viscose. Follow this link, JTHouse.net. But look at that, isn't that beautiful? It goes so well with her red hair as well. It's gorgeous. Absolutely stunning. Beautiful. Very talented lady. So if this type of magazine interests you, something you'd like to subscribe to, then go check out our website. So just head to JTHouse.net, and you should have all the information you need there. So there we go. Colourful crochet schemes, the most understandable graphics on the market, coloured step-by-step diagrams for absolute beginners. You get specially selected 6 motifs. You find it easy to read charts and enhance your hooking skills, and then share your creativity with the whole world. So there we go. And she's available. She's on Facebook, JTHouse.net. She's also on Instagram. So if you follow me on Instagram, then I've recently shared a post about this magazine, so you can click on that link and go directly to her Instagram as well. I think it's JTHouse Crochet School or something. But yeah, there we go. So that is the JTHouse Crochet magazine, which I've been super excited to share with you, and I've just been waiting to get the weather for a bit of daylight to actually share it, because it's so miserable here at the moment. But that's issue 1, and that came out in March 2018. I suspect all the information you need is on her website, JTHouse.net. So yeah, go check her out. And I absolutely love this magazine. Big Happy Berry endorsement there, because I'm super impressed. And she's a lovely lady as well, super friendly. So there we go. But that's all from me today, and I will see you soon for some more crochet fun. I've got a little pattern coming soon, and I will actually do a tutorial on how to read chart patterns at some point as well. So I've got some ideas in the pipeline. I've also released a few more crochet kits on my website at happyberry.co.uk/marketplace. So I'll put a link in the description to that if you want to go check out some of my kits, where you can get the yarn and the hook and the pattern to make something fun. Otherwise, I'll see you soon for some more crochet fun. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye. Sorry about my creaky table. So creaky.